The key role of solar farm service together with LifeEF. Hello everyone! Today we will talk about the key role that photovoltaic farm service plays for investors and owners of solar power plants. Do you know why regular care of the photovoltaic installation is the basis not only for safety, but also for maximizing profits? I invite you to watch. A solar farm is a serious investment that can bring big profits. But like any investment, the value lies not only in the initial costs and expected revenues, but also in the way it is managed. Without proper service and maintenance, a solar farm will not reach its full potential and repair costs can quickly mount. Photovoltaic farm servicing is a process that covers the entire life cycle of the installation, from its launch through monitoring to maintenance and response to faults. Regular technical inspection of modules, inverters, supporting structures, as well as performance monitoring are key to ensuring that the farm can operate optimally for years. Investors and farm owners who take care of the constant maintenance of their power plants can count on stable and predictable income, minimizing the risk of unplanned downtime. One of the basic aspects of the service is effective monitoring, thanks to which it is possible to detect problems at an early stage. Modern monitoring systems, using advanced technologies and artificial intelligence, allow for ongoing monitoring of the performance of each panel and forecasting possible problems before they affect the total energy production. Monitoring not only improves efficiency, but also reduces operating costs, ensuring that the photovoltaic power plant generates the maximum possible amount of energy. Another key element is the physical maintenance of the installation. Photovoltaic modules are exposed to contaminants such as dust, dirt, bird droppings, and leaves. Regular cleaning of the panels is key to ensuring the optimal operation of the power plant. It is also worth remembering to regularly inspect the electrical connections and inverters, which are the heart of the system. Professional photovoltaic farm service translates not only into higher income, but also into extending the life of the installation. This in turn means higher asset value and the possibility of their longer use, which directly affects the profitability of the entire undertaking. A properly maintained photovoltaic farm means not only higher profit, but also higher value when potentially resolved. For investors, this means one thing: stability and predictability. Having a partner who will provide comprehensive photovoltaic farm service gives you the certainty that your investment is in good hands and the value of your assets will continue to grow. Finally, it is worth mentioning that LifeEF provides professional services for servicing and monitoring photovoltaic farms throughout Europe, supporting investors in maximizing the efficiency of their installations and ensuring long-term profitability. If you are looking for a partner to service your solar power plants, LifeEF is here to help you achieve success. Thank you for your attention. If you liked this video, I encourage you to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.